Hello guys, hello guys, how are you? Uh, Welcome to my new video. How to install uh, Adobe Flash Player. So first of all, we have restricted Flash spot for Flash ended December 31, 22. So you might to be interested in trying different Adobe products. So Adobe DC, Adobe Express, and Adobe Stock. Adobe Flash Player EOL general information page since Adobe no longer support Flash Player other December 31 to 2020 and blocked Flash content from running in Flash Players being January 12, 21 and 12, 21 Adobe strongly recommended all users immediately uninstall Flash Player to help protect their system. Some users may continue to see remind from Adobe to install Flash Player from their system. See below for more details how to uninstall Flash Players. Adobe stopped separating Flash Player being December 31, 2020. So where did Adobe this to EOL Flash Player and select the end of the date. Uh, Open standard such as HTML5, WebGL, and Web assembly have continuously moved over the year and service available environment for Flash Player. See Flash Player EOL announcement for Apple, Facebook, Google, Microsoft, and Mozilla. By providing more than 3 years advance notice, Adobe believe that there has been shifting time developer design business and other patterns to be migrate Flash content to be new standard. And what does Flash Player EOL meaning? After the EOL date, Adobe will not issue Flash Player update or seriously patch. Uh, Strongly recommended immediately installation Flash Player to help secure your system. Adobe block Flash content from running in Flash Player being January 12, 21. Major browser vendors have disabled and will continue to disable Flash players from running. Flash player may remaining on your system unless you until is uninstalling Flash player is help source your system since about well issues service players updates are seriously patched after the EOL date. Adobe blocked Flash content from running in Flash players beginning January 12, 21 to major browser vendors have disabled and continue disable Flash player from running after the EOL date. So this reason is you might be interested in trying to different Adobe products. So this is a good one, and I hope you enjoy this video, and uh, I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Okay. Allah Hafiz.